Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best dashcam in 2025 to protect yourself on the road, record accidents, or monitor your vehicle while parked, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 best dashcams of 2025, selected based on video quality, night performance, parking mode reliability, storage support, and smart features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro is a front and rear dashcam, offering true 4K recording on the front camera and 2K resolution on the rear. It uses Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors and includes a free 128GB memory card and CPL filter. It also features Wi-Fi 6 for faster video transfers, a 3-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode. Video quality is extremely sharp in both daylight and nighttime conditions. License plates and road details remain clear even at high speeds. Wi-Fi 6 allows fast downloads directly to your smartphone, while the parking mode provides continuous vehicle monitoring. Pros: true 4K plus 2K recording, STARVIS 2 sensors with excellent night vision, free 128GB memory card and CPL included, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, reliable parking mode. Cons: premium price, rear camera installation takes time. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro is an excellent choice for drivers who want premium video quality and advanced features. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Pro offers 4K front and 2K rear recording using dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. It includes HDR support, voice control, GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Night Vision 2.0, and supports memory cards up to 512 GB. This dashcam is well known for its strong HDR performance, making license plates easier to read at night. Voice control allows hands-free operation, and GPS tracking records driving data accurately. Pros: excellent HDR and night performance, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, voice control support, built-in GPS, supports up to 512GB storage. Cons: memory card not included, mobile app interface could be better. The VIOFO A229 Pro is ideal for drivers who prioritize image quality, especially for nighttime driving. Number 3. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5S is a 4-channel dashcam that records front, rear, interior, and cabin views. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, IR night vision, voice control, GPS, and supports memory cards up to 1 TB. This model provides complete 360-degree coverage, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and fleet vehicles. The interior IR camera captures clear footage even in total darkness, and the parking mode adds an extra layer of security. Pros: full 360-degree recording coverage, IR night vision for interior camera, supports up to 1 TB storage, voice control and GPS included, strong parking mode features. Cons: higher price, installation is more complex. The Vantrue N5S is a great option for users who need maximum coverage and professional-level security. Number 4. Vantrue N4 Pro S 3-channel dashcam. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is a 3-channel dashcam that records 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior. It uses triple STARVIS 2 sensors, supports Wi-Fi, GPS, IR night vision, and storage up to 1 TB. This dashcam delivers excellent video quality across all 3 channels. Night footage is clear, and voice control makes daily use simple.
It offers a good balance between coverage and price. Pros: triple STARVIS 2 sensors, 3-channel recording, strong night vision performance, supports up to 1 terabyte storage, voice control supported. Cons: interior camera may not be necessary for all users, slightly bulky design. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is a solid choice for drivers who want extended coverage without moving to a full 4-channel system. Number 5. Vantrue N5 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5 offers 4-channel recording with STARVIS 2 sensors, IR night vision, voice control, GPS, and 24-hour buffered parking mode. It supports memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. This dashcam focuses on full vehicle protection. Buffered parking mode records footage before motion detection, which is useful for hit-and-run incidents. Pros: 360-degree all-side coverage, buffered parking mode, IR night vision, voice control and GPS, reliable overall performance. Cons: storage limited to 512 gigabytes, installation requires time. The Vantrue N5 is ideal for drivers who want complete vehicle security at a slightly lower cost than the Vantrue N5S. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos. Take care and see you soon.